Now the Elvis is set up with a capacitor and resistor in series. It's an RC circuit. Of course, this is attached to ground, and this side is attached to the function generator. Okay, you have to always check that you're in the right column. And the probe itself is attached through channel 0. So I have a sine wave of 2 kilohertz going through the function generator on the board, and that has been captured by the oscilloscope here through the probe. Now if I change this, if I put in an RC circuit, is a very crude high pass filter. If I change this 2K to something like 100 hertz, then two things should happen over here. First, of course, the period will change, the frequency will change, which means that the space between the peaks will change drastically. But because there's also some filtering going on at 100 hertz, the peak to peak will also decrease because it's being filtered out. So let me do that. Let me change this to 100 hertz, and I'll enter. You can also change it on the board as well. So first of all, the peak to peak got much wider, and it also reduced in size. Not drastically because it's not very sophisticated filter, but maybe about a third.